We get a lot of videos of people doing stuff right, and then sometimes we try it and then it's like, did I watch the same video? What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I am back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a natural hair video. I originally wanted to do box braids with the rubber band method, but I can't find the hair that I bought mad long ago to do it, so I guess I'll save that for another video. So today we are going to try 2-strand twist Bantu knots. Now with this, I've done this like maybe twice in the past, and Bantu knots I could never do where it comes out looking nice, where I can go out and wear my Bantu knots. I hate it. If I can find the video I sent to my sister telling her about it, I'll put it right here and I'll show you what it looked like that time.
See, this ain't it.
But yeah, so today we're gonna try to do it again. I just want to see how it's gonna go. Do my Bantu knots, maybe a day or two I'll take it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So let's see if I make it happen, because I really want to be able to make this happen. So first, boom, bam, bow. Now stop. I don't know if you've seen that on TikTok, but anyway, so scrunchies, different combs, whatever comb you want to use. This for the first time. I'm lying. I put it on like one section of my hair once to see if I can curl my natural hair like this. Just go like this and curl it to see if it'll work. And it didn't really work for me, but I'm willing to give it another try because I bought it and I paid for it. So we're gonna use this to hold the curls. And I have some tea tree oil mixed with some olive oil. Is it olive oil? Coconut oil in here. I wanted like a light type of oil to put in my hair because I don't want anything to weigh it down, because I was going to use this castor oil, but I think it might weigh it down, so I'm not going to do that. Oh, also I'm doing this on stretched hair. So stretched, very dry hair. My hair has been stretched for like about a week, and I know I need to wash it this week, so let's get started into this video. Alright, what's up? I'm back and I'm taking out my hair. So I'm just massaging my scalp real quick, and now I'm going to get that oil and I'm just going to massage it into my hair, try to get it on my hair as much as I can, especially the ends because it's the most dry. I'm going for size medium Bantu knot, so I'm just going to part my hair in that type of way. So I'm sectioning off my hair in one side, and now it's time to get my medium part on. Not so big like you've seen in the video and the photos before. I wanted it to look a little bit more smaller on the curls. So yeah, that's what I did. So now I'm taking some of the twisting, what is it called? Well, whatever it is, you saw what it is. So now I'm taking some of the product and I'm twisting my hair with it. I feel like I probably should have put more, but I wasn't sure, and I do start to put more later on. So I twist it all the way down. I don't twist it from the root because I need it to be a little loose, so when I wrap the hair, it won't be too tight. So I twist it all the way down, and every time I got down towards the end, I just added a little bit more of the product so it's really on the ends. So when I'm twisting my hair, I am twisting it all the way around from the top down to the end. Well, to the root of my hair. That's it. Really simple. Just twisting it like that. So this time I put a little bit more, and I'm like, dang, maybe I put too much, because when I started to twist it, then you could see like the residue, and I was a little nervous that the white would stay on my hair, but it didn't. It was fine. I originally wanted to put more product because I wanted the twist to hold, and I wanted my hair to be moisturized because it felt super, super dry. So yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. Just twisting it, and as I'm twisting it, around to make the Bantu knot, I'm still kind of twisting my fingers as well. I don't know if I explained that right, but you could kind of see what I'm doing at that point in time. And just make sure you keep putting the product, whatever product you use, at the tips, just to make sure the tips aren't going to be brittle and rough. And I have naturally brittle hair sometimes, and I have 4C hair, so my ends are usually a big problem area. So I definitely have to make sure I have a generous amount of product on my ends. All right, time for the other side. So twist, 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 keep on twisting, keep on twisting, twist, 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 twist. Let's see what I feel, because I am hype. I did pretty good. This looks kind of good. So what I'm gonna do, so nothing unravels when I sleep, because sometimes I am a very wild sleeper, I'm gonna put this scarf on my head, and then I'm gonna put this big bonnet on. I made this, by the way. It'll be coming in a future video. So if you want to see how to make this one and how to make a regular size and one for a baby, stay tuned, because you know what I'm saying? You're gonna see how to make this cute little, oh, and it's reversible. You can wear it on the brown side too, actually. I think I'm gonna wear it on this side. Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna come back in 2 days, and I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna see how it looks. See if it gives like the little cute curl where I could wear it down in my face, or maybe a little side part. If not, it's going up in a cute little pineapple. So we're gonna see how that goes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you in a few days. So now we're about to take them down, and we're gonna see how it goes. So to take it down, I'm gonna get some oil again, and I'm just gonna take it down and run my hands through with the oil, so it's not like dry or whatever. Also, I do want to add, when you're taking these out, you want to do it like you're unscrewing a light bulb or something like that, like, or a corkscrew or whatever the case is. That's what you want to do. So I'm gonna put a little bit on here. Let me actually do it this way so you can see it, so we can see it together. So I have it. Just want to put more oil on it because I put it on the wrong finger. But boom, I'm unscrewing it. So you want to make sure when you unscrew it that you don't rake your hands fully through it, because you don't want to take out the curl. Ooh, this looks too up. Oh no! Did it come out bad? I don't know. I'm not hype. Oh my god, I'm about to be tight. Guys. I wonder if I left it in too long or what, but it's looking like I failed. But I'm not gonna give up hope yet. I will not. We're gonna see. Alright, this one looks a little springy spring. Maybe I might have some luck. We'll see. Okay, these are starting to look a little better than the ones in the back. Maybe I was over-exaggerating. We'll see. So you want to make sure when you take this out, you don't take it like and unravel it the same way you did it, because it might mess up the coil. And you kind of want to keep the coil as you're raking it out. So yeah, I'm really nervous of how it's gonna come out. I wonder if I would have left it for one day, if it would have been different. Yeah. And next time I try this, maybe I'll try with, instead of doing the 2-strand twist, I'll probably do like the regular one. Do the regular wrap around itself. Oh, look at me. I look like a cute little Miss Bo Peep. That's probably how I looked when I was a little kid. Like this. Little brat running around. I'm gonna unloose it first where like there is a space. So I want to separate it like that when there's a space. And then, you know, find a little space in between to separate it. Just like this. Hopefully you guys can see. Dang, it's giving me epic fail. Ugh. This is not good. Did I coil it too tight? Is that what happened? If anyone knows why this turned out like this, please comment down below and help me out, because baby girl doesn't know. I know in the past I've had so many like hair fails, and I had a few hair successes as well, but I think I want to start posting some hair videos where there are hair fails and what I did wrong. For anybody who's like trying to figure it out, they can see like, okay, this is what this person did wrong, let me not do that or whatever, because we get a lot of videos of people doing stuff right, and then sometimes we try it and then it's like, did I watch the same video? Because mine's not coming out like this. Like, how did they get this like that? So yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Well, I'm not keeping this thing for long anyway, because like I think I mentioned before, I have to wash my hair. So yeah, I'm trying to grow my hair out by the end of May, y'all. I was like, yo, I'm about to come out looking real cute, real bomb, and look what I look like. Look at what I look like. She's not cute. Earlier I was like, oh, you know, maybe a little side situation or whatever. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my mirror so I can see what's up. Wait, hold up. So looking in the camera like this, I'm like, but let me get close. For my hair, when I'm looking at the mirror, this is cute. This is giving me like a, I don't know, a Susie Q twirly situation. I look mad young, like innocent and stuff. So I don't know. It's not a full fail.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I just feel like I wish it was like longer, hanging down more and all that stuff. But I'm gonna pick it out.
Keeping it up, fluffing it up, whatever you want to call it.
Baby girl's not going outside like this. I will not. I will not. This is what I look like.
I don't know, maybe I might do a cute little check-in, maybe 2. I could always do all up. Okay, a little baby pineapple. Maybe something like this, hanging down.
Yo, you know what I should do? I know what I should do. Because I was going to do, and I still am going to do a natural hairstyle video. But maybe what I should do is a natural hairstyle video of when you mess up your hair and you got to make it look like something. Maybe I should do that. That should be my next video. So, I don't know. I got to look at the schedule I wrote out on what's coming out next in the order. But maybe I could make room for that. But so, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something of what to do and what not to do. And I hope you can tell me of what I did wrong or did different that made it come out like this and not like all these little baddies that I've been seeing on YouTube and stuff. I don't know, maybe I should actually go back and look at a video to see, because I feel like I should know what a Bantu knot. Anyway, that's me talking for so long. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys can hit me up with some feedback, and hopefully you guys stay tuned for that next natural hairstyle video when you don't want to go out looking like this happens. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Later.